One thing I really appreciate about SEK Surebond is how their reps are more than willing to come out on your site and train you and teach you to use their products to make sure your projects are set up for a success. We're sitting down today with Dave. How you doing today, Dave?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Another thing I appreciate about SEK Surebond's reps is most of them have their background in this industry.
Sure do, yeah. So, yeah, a little bit about me. I started, working for a hardscaper all through high school and college. Then, worked for a paver manufacturer as a sales rep. Had a period of time where I worked for a dealer. And then I've been with SEK for about 6 years. So, I've kind of seen all sides of the business.
Being out in the field, I think, is huge when you go into working with these SEK products. You kind of got to know what the guys are doing out there, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about some of the products that SEK offers, some of those products that can actually make some of our contractors more money. Right, and I'm talking about some of the cleaning and sealing products that you offer.
Yeah, so, one of our standpoints is that a lot of these guys are kind of missing an opportunity with the cleaning and sealing aspect of the business. They all have a very vast book of business. Maybe you've been in business for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. You could be offering those guys, packages every, 3 to 4 years of coming and cleaning and sealing. And it's just, a missed opportunity for extra revenue for these guys. We offer cleaners and sealers that, do anything depending on what kind of stains you might have, whether it's, efflorescence or leaf and nut stains. It could be, anything that you might have. And then we also offer sealers that do many different things as well, whether you want it to enhance the pavers or you want it to joint stabilize the sand. We also have things that can repel water and salt as well.
Oh, wow, yeah. So I think on the cleaning and sealing things, or any of those products that you mentioned, it almost goes back to polymeric sand too, where it's another thing that comes to my mind where people have a bad experience with it and then they just shut it off and they're never doing that again, right? So I think we're trying to reverse that operation with having someone come out there.
Yeah, absolutely. In my territory alone, I've ran into numerous contractors that have kind of been bitten by, bad sealer or bad sand. And then when I ask them about it, they're just like, oh, no, we don't touch that. I think there's been a lot of bad sealers in the marketplace over the years, maybe 5-10 years ago. And they don't want anything to do with it. And that's what we're here for, is to show them that, like, hey, this could be a valuable part of your business, and we want to train you on how to do it properly, and you can make some money doing it, and it's just kind of a missed opportunity for them.
So exactly. So educate yourselves, right? And if you educate yourselves through you guys, then I feel we can educate our clients on why they need to take care of this. So we're talking about bringing your paver patios back to life. So, refinishing them and bringing them back to life, giving that luster. And also what I love about it when you seal something is how durable it is and how it just cleans off so much easier. So if we know all that and we know we can provide that to our client, it's just a matter of having you guys come out there and teach us how to do it, right?
Yeah, and a lot of these paver manufacturers, they're getting really good at making pavers, right? Their pigments are much better than they've been in the past, but you still need to protect those pavers. If you're entertaining and people are spilling stuff on them, it's just an added insurance to. These people are spending a lot of money to get this done, right? And so at the end of it, you're sealing it, you're making it look better, and you're just protecting it.
Perfect. So we talked a little bit about how, maybe if times are slow or you're trying to keep another crew busy, or I think guys, just talked about being a missed opportunity, and it's a missed opportunity to bring in more revenue.
Really, all you need is maybe 2 guys on a job site. If you're cleaning, you can have a guy spraying and then another guy scrubbing, and then you're power washing it off, and then you're coming back a day or 2 later once that's dried out. Again, 2 guys on the job site. One guy spraying sealer, another guy back rolling or squeegeeing, depending on what you're trying to achieve. But yeah, 2 guys on a job site versus a whole crew out there that's a lot of guys standing around kind of wasting money. It's a great opportunity just to knock them out. You can do clean a couple in a day and then come back 2 days later and seal a couple in a day. It's just a great opportunity to make more money.
And some of those cleaning and sealing leads we're already sitting on and we don't even know it.
Yeah, like I said, if they've been in business for numerous years, most of these guys install their projects and then they never contact them again, right? They just move on to the next job. They just keep banging them out, move on. And these pavers they're not no maintenance, they're low maintenance, but the joints get mossy and mildewy, and then the homeowners are kind of doing it themselves. they could be calling these guys every 3 to 4 years and just, hey, every project I did, in 2020, hey, you're probably up for, a cleaning and sealing.
Sure, yeah. Let me give you an evaluation. And I think what I like is, if I was going to go out and give an evaluation and there was maybe some stains there I didn't know how to get rid of, that's exactly when I would bring you guys out.
That's exactly what we're here for. Yeah, I mean, I get calls every day about, hey, I've got this stain. What's the best cleaner to remove it? Like I said, it's walnut stains are popular in the fall. Leaf stains when all the leaves are falling and sitting on there. We have cleaners that can do any of that. So yeah, they call me and say, how do I remove this? And if they need help out on the job site, we're all of us at SEK are more than happy to go out there and do that. We would much rather be out on job sites than just driving around all day.
Yeah, right. So it's like when you're going to go out and evaluate this previous client's situation, I would bring one of these guys out there with you right away. And I've been doing this for 25 years, but I'm not going to take anything for granted. I'm going to get their expertise on it. So Dave, what region do you cover?
I cover Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, and Kentucky.
So they have reps all over the country. So if you've had problems with cleaning and sealing before, or if you're looking to add revenue to your business, check out SEK Surebond's cleaning and sealing projects. Hook up with your rep and keep them in your back pocket.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks a lot for
Appreciate
sitting
it.
down with us, Dave.
Thank you.